Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and this is the end of the third day at the Kalamazoo cabin build, we'll call it. We made a lot of progress today. We figured out what we got to do with the window bucks for one thing, and we got the gable ends up. We leveled some plates, and we put up the gable end walls, which were already they were pre-built back in Minnesota, and we raised them with that skid loader and that boom attachment that you've seen us using, and now we're marking out the ridge beam, which is this big old 3x14, weighs about 400 pounds, I think. Three of us managed to muscle the stupid thing up there without hurting ourselves. But we got rafters spacing marked out, and oh, the other thing we did was we got the floorboards in here. We had well, the floor joists are actually cut out of the same timbers as the ridge beam. I ended up getting a whole bunch of those a couple of years ago and haven't made very good use of them. So we've been cutting them up to use for various other things, and we originally had 2x6 rafters specified for this project, but we didn't have enough straight ones or long enough ones to give us the overhang that I wanted, and we decided to change that, and we cut up some more of those 3x14s, and we made 3x4 rafters. And here's my pattern for the first one. That's the longest rafter. We'll cut some other ones shorter. But first thing we got to do tomorrow is we have to plane down some of the edges. I don't know if you can see how crooked some of these guys are, but we're getting down to the last blade on the old bandsaw, and they're starting to get a little wavy. So tomorrow I'm going to get some new blades in my 4-inch Mankato planer, electric planer, and we're going to plane at least the high spots off of them so they look a little better. And then we'll be raising rafters tomorrow and hopefully putting on roof boards. The owner's kids did us a big favor and pressure washed all of the roof boards, which are these old siding boards from some barns I took down. The other side is either silver gray or faded red, which is really a shame to be using them for this stuff here, because some people really think that stuff is cool and pay a lot of money for it. But anyway, this machine here has been used to haul everything out. The boards fit right straight through where the windshield used to be, and we can haul about 20 of them out here at a time. So last night one of the boys was pressure washing, and the other one was hauling them out here and stacking them up. So they got them all done last night. So that's pretty good. Oh, the other thing we accomplished is deck framing. I'm short one floor joist, so I gotta make a run to save big money at Menards tonight and pick that up, because we're supposed to put a porch roof on this thing too. So we'll go there for some supplies and some roof sheathing we also got to get. and then we'll see you tomorrow. All right? Thanks for watching. Bye.